Hi, and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of managing user accounts in ScrubHub. Whether you're creating new accounts, updating user information, or assigning roles, ScrubHub's account settings makes it easy to manage access for everyone in your business. Let's get started. The Account Settings section lists all the user accounts you've created for your business. Here, you can create multiple accounts and assign specific roles to determine each user's access level. Whether the account is for an admin or a non-admin, you can view user information, but your ability to edit or delete accounts depends on your own access level. In ScrubHub, there are different user roles, each with varying permissions. Super Admin can create, read, update, and delete everything, including passwords for both admin and user-level accounts. Admin can create, read, update, and delete their own information as well as manage non-admin users. However, admins cannot change usernames or passwords of non-admin users or manage other admins. They can also read super admin information but cannot access or manage the super admin account. User. Users can create, read, update, and delete their own data, but require admin or super admin approval to make certain changes. They cannot create, update, or delete anything managed by admin or super admin accounts. Let's walk through how to create a new user account. 1. First, go to your profile and select Account Settings. 2. Click the Add User button. 3. Enter the user's username and password, then confirm the password. 4. Fill in the required fields, including the user's full name, address, phone number, and access level. 5. Once all fields are complete, click Submit to save the new account. You can also update user account details. To change your username, go to your profile, click Account Settings, and select your profile details. Click the edit icon next to your current username, enter your new username, and click Save to apply the change. Regardless of your access level, you can always reset your password. To do this, go to your profile, select Account Settings, and click the Change Password button. Enter your old password, then your new password, confirm it, and click Submit to save the update. If you need to delete or deactivate an account, only admin users or above can do this. To delete an account, go to Account Settings, select the account you wish to remove, and click the trash icon. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click OK to finalize the deletion. And that's how you manage user accounts in ScrubHub. From creating new accounts and assigning roles to updating details and deactivating accounts, the Account Settings feature makes it easy to stay in control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your team's access in ScrubHub effectively.